Welcome to GKIM Digital, a software production company in the bustling heart of Ho Chi Minh City. Hi, I'm Ian Morrison, CEO and founder of GKIM Digital. My mission in life is to bring the dreams of creative business people to life in the digital world, and I want you to be part of that mission. My teams and I have been technology innovators throughout my career. I've been lead engineer on games for PlayStation and Nintendo with my own studio in Los Angeles. I won numerous awards for marketing solutions with my own digital agency in Singapore. And now, based in Vietnam for 10 years, I've architected complex and powerful solutions for entrepreneurs in fintech, medtech, and many other areas.
I'm surrounded by the most incredibly intelligent mind, and they share all of their experiences, skills, and also passions to make them be useful. And this is what I'm really valuing.
If, like me, you are driven by projects, you're probably wondering what you would be working on here at GKIM. For example, we built a telehealth operating platform for genetic testing and other services. We process thousands of cases every day and are connected to hundreds of labs across America. I'm proud that the team has designed, developed, and helps operate this world-class original solution out of Vietnam. We need more talented and driven team members to help us grow this project, to add more verticals and customers. We also work on creative consumer projects, such as this app, encouraging sustainable environmental impact. With my background in the entertainment industry, I always attract projects involving 3D graphics and such as augmented reality. But I know that projects aren't everything.
We want to build an innovative and friendly working environment, so together we can create beautiful products that bring real value.
At GKIM Digital, we're committed to attracting and retaining the top talent.
If I were to describe GKIM with one word, it would be awesome.
Collaborative.
Challenging.
Mỗi sáng thức dậy, Hana rất háo hức đến GKIM làm việc. Hana rất lấy làm hãnh diện. Hana là một phần của GKIM team.
So don't wait. Contact us now to become part of the GKIM family.